Let me ask you honestly, do you remember the goals you made at the start of last year? Most people don't. And that's scary. Years don't fail us. We just drift through them. Today, I'll show you how to own 2026, not with motivation quotes, but with a simple system that works. Stay with me. The last step changes everything. I used to start every year hyped. New planner, new apps, new promises. By February, burnout. Procrastination, guilt, school stress, work pressure, scrolling at night thinking, I'll fix my life tomorrow. Tomorrow never came. Until I stopped trying to change everything and started controlling my days. That's when things flipped. And no, this is not about waking up at 5 a.m. Step 1, stop planning the year. Here's mistake number 1. People plan 12 months, but can't control 12 hours. Do this instead. Plan only the next 90 days. Your brain can handle 90 days. A whole year feels fake. Ask yourself, if the next 3 months went perfectly, what would change? Not 10 goals, just one main focus. Examples: finish 1 exam strongly, lose 5 kilo, learn 1 high-income skill, fix sleep and energy. 1 season, 1 mission. That's how you start owning 2026. Step 2, the daily non-negotiable. Pick 1 daily non-negotiable task. 1, not 5, not 10. Something small you can't skip. Examples: 20 minutes of study, 10 push-ups, writing 200 words, reading 2 pages, even on bad days. Especially on bad days. Consistency beats motivation. Every single time. Most people quit because they rely on inspiration. You won't. Some days, showing up is the win. Step 3. Fix your nights, not your mornings. Morning routines are overhyped. Real change starts at night. If you sleep late, scroll endlessly, and wake up tired, your day is already lost. Rule: no phone 60 minutes before sleep. Instead, write tomorrow's top 1 task. Light stretching, quiet music, or just sit with your thoughts. When nights improve, mornings fix themselves. Step 4, the do it badly rule. If you wait to do things perfectly, you'll stay stuck forever. Rule: do it badly. But do it today. Bad workout counts. Messy notes counts. Awkward first video counts. Perfection is procrastination. Progress loves speed. Step 5, weekly reset ritual. Once a week, 15 minutes. Ask yourself, 1, what worked this week? 2, what didn't? 3, what's 1 thing to fix next week? No self-hate, no drama, just awareness. People who reflect grow faster. People who don't repeat. This habit alone separates you from 90% of people in 2026. Recap pulls call to action. Think in 90-day seasons. 1 daily non-negotiable. Fix your nights. Do things badly, consistently. Weekly reset. You don't need a new personality. You need a simple system. Try just 1 step tonight. Not tomorrow, tonight. 2026 isn't waiting. It's coming fast. Let's not look back next year and say, I could have done more. Let's level up together. Like the video, subscribe, and comment. I'm owning 26. I'll see you in the next one.